Hi guys, I'm Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. Today I'm going to tell how to make chocolate cookies at home. Before getting into the recipe, I would like to take a minute and thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you are not a subscriber of my channel, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel. You won't be disappointed, and also wish you all advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and also Happy Holidays. So first you need to take a baking tray and grease it with butter or oil and place a butter paper over it and set aside. Now with the help of a sieve, sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix them and set aside. Later crack 1 egg in a bowl and with the help of an electric beater, beat for 2 to 4 minutes and later add half cup of powdered sugar and again beat it for 2 to 4 minutes till it is nice and creamy. To this add half cup of room temperature butter and beat for another 2 to 3 minutes. I will be adding 10 drops of vanilla essence to this and again beat it. Now to this add the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder mix gradually by making it into a dough. If required, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Wait for 5 minutes. Later make balls out of it and give it a cookies shape. Here, while placing the cookies in the baking tray, you need to give enough space so that they expand in size. They don't stick together. But today I have given only little space, so they have sticked together and lost their shape. So this would be a good tip for each and everyone who is making this recipe. And I have given a lines over the cookie to make it look like Good Day biscuits cookies. You can make it in any shape or size and you need to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes in an oven at 180 degrees, or else you can take a aluminium bowl and place a bowl or stand in between. Preheat it for 10 minutes over high flame. Later over medium flame, place the baking tray with cookies and close the lid and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes and your cookies are ready to be served. This quantity can make 6 to 10 cookies depending upon the size and the shape you give. I hope this video was helpful and you will enjoy it making with your kids and family this holidays. That's all for today. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.